Hey everybody. Somebody very correctly commented that on the video QSLs, the sidetone from the Rockmite is really loud. And so here's what it sounds like if I don't do anything with it. So a little bit screamy. However, I watched a FM radio explainer video from the Army from like the 1940s this week and learned about limiters. And so I'm over here in DaVinci, and if we put a 15 dB limit on it, here's what the sidetone goes to. So that's kind of cool. You can see it's clipping off this top, and that's going to give us some jaggies that are higher frequency, but still it's cutting down on the amount of just bang. When we get to the actual skull, it mostly isn't limited. And so I think I'm going to go with that. And thanks to the person who pointed out that sidetone was loud. This is actually an easy, quick solution. It's one effect. On the cheap ham radio front, DaVinci is free. It's a free download. It's a little bit limited in the free version, but not by much. For example, the limiters there. Okay, everybody, 72s. This is KD0FNR, talking about using a limiter for ham radio video QSLs.
Dun 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 dun, TouCan Radio.